You and I, we are fly. When we're together, it's forever, it's a fact. Don't care what they say.
Don't care what they say.
I love you anyway.
I love you anyway. You're my best friend. I put that on 10. You're the one I want and the one I need. I'ma ride to the end.
Till the end.
They don't understand.
It's you and I, yeah, you and I. You're the one I love again.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie. It's so cold, the power's out. What's up, PNP gang? I don't think y'all understand what's going on right now. We live in Houston, Texas. Houston, Texas. We want to show y'all what's going on right now. Oh my God, we woke up to some stuff. Oh, I can't believe this thing. Hold on. Let us show you what we woke up to this morning. Oh my God. Oh, what the hell's going on out here, y'all? This is Houston, Texas.
Oh, you guys, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Can y'all believe this? Look at the ground. Oh, sheesh, it's so cold too. Oh man, I've never would have thought that this place would be like this. This is crazy. People are getting to their cars for the heat, which is really smart. Like, that's probably what we're gonna have to do. Oh my God. Our power is out.
Yo, we got inches of snow out here, y'all. What's happening? What the hell, yo? We woke up to a winter wonderland with no power. Oh no, no power. This is the street right here, y'all. This is the street. It's hard, like it's hard snow. Like, it's hardened. It's stuck. Like, I've never seen snow this hard in the South, y'all. This is very unusual, guys. What is happening? It's like 10 degrees or 20. I don't even know. My phone's dead. My phone's dead. We got no power. This is insane what's happening here in Houston on this day. What the? Yo, this is insane. I woke up last night so cold. I'm like, why am I freezing like this? Like, I didn't realize the power went out. Oh my Lord. Power went out mid-sleep. So I'm waking up like, oh, I'm cold. What's going on? I'm cold. I'm over here waking up freezing. Like, what's popping? Why am I freezing? Leia wouldn't let me. I was trying to get some body heat. She wouldn't let me get close to her. I guess I was cold. I kept touching her. She kept, don't touch me. What's wrong with you, girl? I'm cold. Let's warm up together. It's teamwork. Let's warm up together. This is what our back porch looks like. Big old snow all the way to the door. It's not too bad in the back porch. Pretty deep snow over there. The girls are gonna go crazy when they see this. Oh my. They were so excited about the snow last night, but it was only like a little bit. Now it's like snow. I'm gonna let y'all see the girls' first reaction to the snow. This is gonna be crazy. They're gonna go insane with the snow. This is definitely more snow than we expected.
Whoa! So, Eva, your car! Wow.
Yo, this is crazy.
Look at the tree.
Where are they going? People are leaving? Driving this? There's somebody over there is like driving somewhere. I don't know. The heck? Hey, hold on. One thing I gotta say, Phlo. Wait, one thing I need to say. Because you throwing those things with full force. If you hit somebody with that in their face, you go. No, seriously. Ooh.
I think she won't, I go lie.
Alright, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm done, y'all. Alright.
Yo, this is crazy. Like, the crazy thing is, like, when you got gas, if you're familiar with gas, we got gas. But this is a thermostat. It's dead. We got gas for the heat, but we have an electric thermostat, so I can't turn it on. Our gas works. Our gas is working right now. Our water's off, our electricity's out. I'm like, what's going on? It's too cold for this. It's freezing. Y'all got the heat off? I guess a lot of people who have gas, if you don't have an electric thermostat, you could actually use your heat right now. But we have this electric thermostat. There ain't no battery in it. Comment below if you think that's retarded. So we chilling. Can't do anything. Can't really go nowhere because they didn't salt the roads in Houston, which is crazy. I mean, I guess they're not used to like a lot of snow. They didn't salt the roads, so it's just straight snow on the roads. So you ain't going nowhere really. So you're in the house, no water, no heat, no nothing, no electricity, no food, and we can't even do anything about it.
Show you something.
You want to show them something?
Yeah. Something cool outside.
What is it?
I can't open it.
Is it frozen shut? The door is frozen shut.
Yeah, the door is going to be frozen.
Oh, it's cold, guys.
No, look. I can glide on it.
Oh, I see you. Yo, the doors are getting frozen shut. See, I'm not from Texas, but I'm very, very surprised that it snows like this. I'm from Florida. This don't happen. This is extreme.
I'm from Atlanta.
You're from Atlanta?
Yeah.
Does this happen in Atlanta?
No. Yes.
It does?
Sometimes.
But is it like this though?
Way harder.
Way harder in Atlanta?
Yeah.
Really?
People say that snow doesn't come harder than Texas. It snows more harder. People say snow is not coming in Texas, but now it is.
It is now, huh? How do you feel about that?
I feel mad.
Mad? Why?
Because the people said that it's hot in Texas, but it's snowing in Texas. So what's the point?
How do you feel about that, Sarai?
Sad.
You feel sad that it's snowing? Because the power's out? So we can't watch, you can't watch no TV? Oh, that's something.
And I can't even watch YouTube.
Oh my gosh, you can't even watch YouTube. It's the end of the world, y'all. So I guess we gotta have a snowball fight. Another snowball fight, y'all. Alright, y'all. What do I do with that light? Okay, alright, y'all. Oh! There we go. There we go. That's how it's done. That's how you turn the gas stove on when the electricity's on. Gotta use you a little lighter, you feel what I'm saying?
You just say things.
And it's a little bit of heat right here. We got us a little heat going, you know what I'm saying? So
Can you do the same thing with the fireplace?
the fireplace is electric. It's like we have an electric fireplace. So it's like if there's no electricity then what?
But the fireplace.
So I put some water in here to cook because we ain't got no power. We don't know how long the power is gonna be out. The power could be out for a day, a week, a month, an hour. What you think?
A day. A day.
A day?
Yeah.
Man, I hope it's not a whole day, jeez, guys. A whole day? A whole day? Nah. All right, so we got the oatmeal. We only got 3 bowls clean, so I got to use this as a bowl. I got the big stove going. It's taking forever to boil. Yo, what's going on? Did you eat your oatmeal?
Yes.
Yo, she ate that oatmeal fast. Holy, she was hungry. She poured that right down her throat. Ooh, I got something else you could eat too.
I'm just trying to stay warm, man.
Body heat. Body heat.
You don't get them?
You know what I'm saying? I got something I can warm you up beside. The whole city of Houston, if I looked at it right, I think it said like there was like 100 accidents or something crazy. For some reason, we got to go outside to use our phone. I don't know how the snow is affecting our service. I never thought this would happen. Like, we're in Texas right now and we are snowed in. We're snowed in. There's so much snow out there. Like, where are you going? Ice, snow, car covered in snow. I saw somebody pull off. I'm like, they must be from New York, because I ain't pulling out nowhere. All right, y'all. So it's a couple hours later. Still no power. Everybody was, it's actually cold in the house. We was all cuddled up in the bed together, trying to get warm. Yo, wearing jackets and hoodies in the house, yo. This is a crazy day in Houston. Like, yo, it's still like ice and snow. Let me bring y'all outside again and show y'all. It was up early in the snow. That's what it looks like now, y'all. It's ice below the snow. It's real icy. So icy. Might slip and fall on that. There's ice bricks. Icicles, I meant. Hanging off the car. It's definitely the coldest day I've ever seen in the South. Like, this is the most snow I've ever seen in the South. Pretty crazy. I just don't know how long electricity is gonna be out. That's my problem. Like, you got us out here freezing cold, no electricity, no heat. The gas, the way our house is set up, we can't turn the heat on. It's still snowing. If y'all can see it. It's Texas, man. This Texas, y'all. What's going on? But everybody's sleeping. I'm bored out of my mind. Yo, I don't know what to do with myself. I'm just walking around the house like nothing to do in this motherfucker.
Oh, the sun is out right now. And it's so pretty out here. Wow. Look at my car. So much snow, you guys. Looks like the sun is trying to melt it, but this is crazy. I just woke up, so y'all, I'm sorry. But the water and the power is still off. I still can't believe it did this out here, y'all. It's crazy. But yeah, the water and everything is still off. I think it's probably, I don't know how many degrees it is now. Let me check. My phone don't have no signal. It's a little warmer than earlier for sure though. It says 21 degrees. Earlier it was 17. So I don't know. Hopefully the power comes back on, because like I'm ready to get back to life, to real life. I literally slept for like 3 hours, but I mean, hopefully this all goes away and we can just get back to our lives.
What'd that say right there?
PrincessxPhlo.
Princess and Phlo. Princess and Phlo. Ooh. Oh. Yo, it's cold, y'all. Yo, it's cold out here. See this ice? So you can just.
Now you get my boots all wet. Okay, come out of there.
Okay.
Ooh, yeah. You see what we're doing here?
They having a snowball fight. Look at this.
Neighbors having snowball fights and everything.
They came all the way over here.
Oh, we got rabbit paws. We got rabbits out here, y'all. So you can see the little rabbit paws.
Aw.
It was coming through. Come chill. They got a little cold, so they're trying to find a warm place to go. But it's definitely not in our house. It's cold everywhere. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. It's so cold. The power's out. The power's out. I got my phone. Yo, we're actually about to go to our manager's house. She actually hit us, said her power came on so we can come through. Because I ain't gonna lie, we're freezing. We're about to sleep in the car. Yo, this is crazy. Alright, y'all, so we just woke up. You see we here on the air mattress.
We're warm.
Warm and comfortable. Our manager let us come over here and sleep at her house because it was very cold, and we were gonna sleep in the car. It's crunched up, you know what I mean? It was like 12 degrees out there last night.
Yeah, it was really cold.
12
We were
degrees.
just gonna camp out, you know, but get out.
I didn't know it got 12 degrees in Texas. I thought that was like against the law or something like that, but I guess not. So we got here. We good now, so we just want to check in with y'all. Texas is still frozen, still no electricity. So, well, in most places. Luckily, we came to a place that had electricity. We were blessed. But a lot of people weren't, so I hope y'all good out there. Hope everybody, you know, we had to thug it out. It's still cold, it's still frozen. It's not snowing, but it's still cold. But alright, y'all. We're gonna see y'all in the next video on Game.